see Daron Thomas?
January the 9th, 2012. It was at 7 o'clock, and our meeting lasted for about an hour and a half, from about 7 to 8:30, and then we kind of talked and fellowship with each other for about 30 additional minutes, maybe a little longer.
And where did you see Daron Thomas?
I saw him here at the church.
What was Daron Thomas doing at said date and time?
Well, he was asked to come to participate in the meeting with the deacons and the other men of the church so that we could just address some of the issues that were going on and to come up with effective ministries and that kind of thing.
And why were you there?
I was there as the pastor to facilitate the meeting. I called the meeting.
Did you personally speak to Daron on said day?
Yes, I did. I talked to him, of course, during the meeting and a little after the meeting.
Who else was present at that time?
The other deacons of the church and several other men.
How did you come to the knowledge of the fact of the arrest of Daron Thomas?
Well, it was brought to my attention by his friend that he had been arrested.
Did you execute a statement of facts regarding said date and time?
Yes, I got facts and the date concerning when he was arrested and the time that he was arrested.
Did you attempt to alert the district attorney or the judge involved in the case of your knowledge of events described in your statement of facts?
Well, I wanted to. I went to the hearing for that purpose and was not allowed to make a statement.
What was the result of your attempt to notify the DA and or judge?
I'm sorry. I was asked to leave. I was asked to leave myself along with another deacon and a couple of other folks. I think Daron's father and one of his uncles, and a friend had gone there to be supportive to him, and we were asked to leave.
Did you at any time get a subpoena or other notice from the court to appear before the grand jury of Pulaski County regarding the matter of Daron Thomas?
No.
Were you ever interviewed by any police officer regarding the matter of Daron Thomas?
No.
Were you ever interviewed by anyone from Pulaski County District Attorney's Office?
No.
Were you ever interviewed by anyone from Pulaski County Public Defender's Office?
No.
Did you ever attend any of the hearings regarding Daron Thomas at the Hopkinsville Court in Pulaski County Superior Court?
I did. I attended the hearing, and that was the day, of course, that I went there to support Daron and to make a statement about his whereabouts on that particular date and was asked to leave.
Okay. What took place at said hearing that stood out in your mind?
What stood out in my mind was the fact that there was a hearing, a public hearing, that was addressing an issue concerning someone that I know and have known for years who was accused of doing something that I know he could not have done it because he was here at the church at the time. And as his pastor, because I've known him and his family, I wanted to support him along with one of the other deacons and some other folks. And what stood out was that I was not given an opportunity to express my support of him and also to validate that he was at the church during that time.
What did the district attorney do at said hearing?
I don't know. I left. Well, I was asked to leave, and so whatever took place in the hearing, I don't know.
What did the judge do at said hearing?
He instructed us to leave.
Did you attempt to alert the DA or judge of the information that you had regarding the case that may have a bearing on the case?
Yeah, through the affidavits that were written, along with several other men who were in attendance to the meeting that he was there.
What did the court do when you attempted to speak about said information that you wanted to alert the court to?
I didn't get an opportunity to do that. I was asked to leave.